Begin by aligning the mounting holes in the Cargo Manager tracks with the matching holes in the Roll and Lock tracks. You're going to secure each side with 4 truss head screws and cargo nuts. Just hand tighten the screws. Don't use a power or pneumatic screw gun. With the actuator levers to the driver's side, insert 1 tram in each end of the Cargo Manager divider. There's a driver's side tram and a passenger side tram. Be sure you insert them into the correct ends. Begin by inserting the front wheels in the tracks. Next, squeeze the actuator levers together and rotate the divider, inserting the rear wheels in the tracks. Squeeze and hold the linkage control levers, and the Cargo Manager divider should glide effortlessly along the tracks. Release the levers, and the divider should snap into the first available location slot in the direction you're traveling. Also, by squeezing the linkage control levers, you can rotate the divider upward to a horizontal position to clear the way for long loads. And that's all there is to it. Hey, congratulations! At this point, you're good to go. Thank you for choosing Roll and Lock.